Good morning and welcome to Neet 2026 Biology Answer Key from Booklet A. So, starting is the evil question number 91. The evil quartet of biodiversity loss include which of the following option? Correct option is option number 2. Question number 92 is which one of the following is the site for active ribosomal RNA synthesis? Correct option is option number 1, nucleolus. Question number 93, match the list. So the correct option is option number 1, which is G1 phase has is cell in G1 phase cell is metabolically active and continuously grows but does not replicate, and this is the explanation. Question number 94 is match the following, and the correct option is A, 2, in which A is 3. Productivity means rate of biomass production. Again, question number 95 is which of the following statements are correct? Correct option is option number 2, A, B, and D. Again, question number 96 is identify the correct statement about biomolecules. Correct option is option number 1, C, D, and E only. C is polysaccharide or long chain of sugar, D is adenine and guanine are substituted pyrimidine, and E is almost all enzyme or proteins. Question number 97 is how many ATP and NADPH molecules are required to make one molecule of glucose through the Calvin pathway? Option is 18 ATP and 12 NADPH. Question number 98 is which of the following statement are not true? Correct option is option number 3, C and D only. Question number 99 is match the following. Correct option is option number 3. And the explanation is as follows. Question number 100 is in which of the following the ovules are not enclosed by an ovary wall and remain exposed? Correct option is option number 3, pinus. Question number 101 is again match the following, and correct option is option number 3, in which marginal consist of P and exile consist of lemon, parietal mustard, and basal is marigold. Question number 102 is in angiosperm, root hairs arise from which of the following regions of the root? Correct option is answer number 4, the region of maturation. Question number 103 is which one of the following is not a characteristic of plant cell in the phase of elongation? Answer is large and unconspicuous nuclei. Option number 2. Question number 104 is which of the following statement are correct with reference to a transcription unit? Correct option is answer number 1, A, B, C, D, and E. Question number 105 is alpha helix is found in which of the level of the protein structure? Correct option is secondary structure. Question number 106 is which of the following statement are correct regarding amino acid? Answer is option number 3, A and C only. A is they are substituted methane, and C is valine is a neutral amino acid. Question number 107 is what is the function of bulliform cells? Correct option is option number 3, to minimize water loss during water stress. Question number 108 is find the incorrect statement about the photosynthesis from the following. Correct option is option number 2, A and D only. Question number 109 is match list 1 and 2. Correct option is 3. Conjunctive tissue, tissues between xylem and phloem is known as conjunctive tissue. Casparian strip is endodermal cell and suberin deposit, and follows on. Question number 110 is match list 1 and list 2. Correct option is 3. A is genetically modified organism is Bt cotton, and so on and on. Question number 110 is heterophilous development in response to the environment is an example of which of the following phenomena? Correct answer is plasticity. Question number 112 in Rasmus fluorescence is fill in the blanks, and correct option is flowers are born in an acropetal succession. Option number 3. Question number 113 is which of the following disorder is caused by the substitution of glutamic acid by valine at the sixth position of beta globin chain of the hemoglobin molecule. Correct option is option number 3, sickle cell anemia. Question number 114 is match the list 1 and list 2. Correct option is 3, and these are the explanation. Question number 115 is arrange the following in the correct developmental sequence related to microsporogenesis. Correct option is option number 3, BDAC. Question number 116 is steps, arrange the following steps of DNA fingerprinting in the sequence. Correct option is option number 2, AECBD. Question number 117 is exploring molecular genetics and species level diversity for product of economic importance is called. Correct option is bioprospecting. Question number 118 is sex determination. In reference to sex determination is honeybees is. Correct option is correct option is option number 4, A, B, C and E only. Question number 119 is steps of polymerase. Identify the correct sequence of steps in each chain of polymerase chain reaction. Correct option is denaturation, annealing and extension. Question number 120 is which of the following statements are correct with respect to DNA separation, isolation and visualization. Correct option is 4, A and B only. Question number 121 is main criteria used for 5 kingdom classification proposed by R.H. Whitaker included. Correct option is 1, A, B, D and E only. Question number 122 is which of the following is a triploid cell. Correct option is primary endosperm cell. Question number 123 is which of the following statements are correct with reference to the packaging of DNA helix. Correct option is 2, A, C and E only. Question number 124 is which of the following is an in situ conservation method. Correct option is sacred groove, option number 1. Question number 125 is in the lac operon the Z gene codes for. Correct option is option number 4, beta galactosides. Question number 126 is again match the following and the correct option is option number 3 and the explanation is as follows. Question number 127 is sequence of somatic hybridization and the correct option is option number 2. Arrange the following steps of somatic hybridization in correct sequence. Correct option is option number 2, DABCE. Question number 120A is respiratory quotient calculation and the correct option is option number 2. Question number 129, since the origin and diversification of life on earth there has been 5 episodes of mass extinction of species and the correct option is option number 2. Question number 130 is match the following and correct option is option number 1. Question number 131 is which of the following statement is not true about the universal rule of binomial nomenclature and option number 3 is answer. Question number 132 is the enzyme required for the carboxylation in the Calvin cycle is RUBP carboxylase oxygenase, option number 2. Question number 133 is which of the following floral formula is correct floral formula for Solanaceae family and the correct option is option number 1. Question number 134 is which of the following types of pollination brings genetically different type of pollen grain to stigma and the correct option is option number 3, that is xenogamy. Match the following is again in question number 35 and the correct option is 2 and the explanation is given as follows. Question number 136 is insertion of foreign DNA at BAMO-H1 site in an E. coli cloning vector PBR322 result in the loss of antibiotic resistance toward and the option is option for question number 136 is option number 3, that is tetracycline. Question number 137 is the 6 mutant codon of beta globin gene causing polymerization of hemoglobin and changes in the RBC shape is option is answer is option number 2, GUG. Question number 130 is choose the correct statement regarding gift to overcome fertility is option number 2, gamete intra-fallopian transfer. Question number 139 is which of the following is an appropriate example of sexual deceit. Correct option is Ophiuchus and bumblebee. Question number 140 is evolution of human appears parallel to the progressive development of brain and language skill. As such, the evolution of individual species in the sequence of their appearance is. Correct option is option number 2. Question number 141 is match the following of developmental embryonic developmental match is there, and the correct option is option number 4, and the explanation is given as follows. Question number 142 is a group of researchers procured some fish-like animals and upon investigation the following characters were observed. Correct option is option number 3, Petromyzon. Question number 143 is spermatogonia undergoes a series of cell division to produce sperm. Select the correct statement from the following. And the correct option is option number 1, C and E only. Question number 144 is what is the probability of having children with O blood group where both mother and father are heterozygous for A and B blood group respectively. Correct option is option number 4, that is 25%. Question number 145 is arrange the following events occurring in renin-angiotensin mechanism in the following order. Correct option is option number 4, CEDVA, and explanation is given as follows. Question number 146 is again match the following, and correct option of answer is option number 3, where A is 3, B is 4, C is 1, and the explanation is given as follows. Question number 147 is match the following, and correct option is option number 1, that is progestasert is hormone releasing IUDA, multi-load 375 is copper releasing IUDA, and the following are given. Question number 128 is non-membrane bound cell organ found in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell are correct option is option number 2, that is ribosome. 149 ecological pyramid represent the relationship between the organism at different trophic level. They are generally inverted for pyramid of biomass in the sea, option number 2. Question number 50 is the flightless bird with forelimbs modified as paddle-like structure suited for swimming is known as aptendodites, that is penguin, option number 4. Question number 151 is match the following, and the correct option is option number 1, streptokinase helps in removal of clots from the blood vessel, and statins helps in lowering the blood cholesterol, and others are given below. Question number 152 is again correct statement choosing regarding cell organelle and their inclusion, and the correct option is option number 4, and explanation is given. Question number 153 is select the set of fish which belongs to the class Osteichthyes, and the correct option is option number 3, flying fish, angelfish, and fighting fish. Question number 154, in a population of a grasshopper species, the chromosome number of some members is 23 and some other members possess 24 chromosomes. The 23 and 24 chromosome bearing members in the species are correct answer is option number 4, males and females respectively. Question number 154 is the WBC count of a person blood sample is 8000 cubic per millimeter, and the correct answer is option number 1, 160 to 240 cubic per millimeter and 1600 to 2000 cubic per millimeter respectively. Question number 156 is the toxic proteins isolated from Bacillus thuringiensis coded by which of the following genes would control cotton bollworms and corn borer respectively. Correct answer is option number 2, cry1AC and cry2AB. Question number 157 is match the following, and correct option is 2. Matching is nicotine stimulates adrenal gland, morphic effective sedative and painkiller, heroin is depressant, and cocaine is causes some sense of euphoria. Question number 158 is match the following, and correct option is option number 1, tetany causes wild contraction due to low calcium ion. Arthritis is inflammation of joint. Myasthenia gravis is autoimmune disorder affecting neuromuscular joint, and muscular dystrophy is progressive degeneration of skeletal muscle. Question number 159 is in which animals do haploid cells divide mitotically to produce gametes. Correct option is male honeybee. Question number 160 is in human respiration occurs in the following steps. Arrange these steps in correct order. Correct answer is option number 4, CBEAD, and the explanation is given as follows. Question number 161 is arrange the following cell layer structures around the female gamete from outer to inner side. Correct option is option number 1. Correct order is corona radiata is outermost, zona pellucida, then perivitaline, and the innermost is plasma membrane of the ovum. Question number 162 is the human protein named alpha-1 antitrypsin obtained from transgenic animal is used for the treatment of emphysema. Option number 2. Question number 163 is select the correct statement regarding cell membrane in the eukaryotic cell, and the correct answer is option number 2, B, C and E only. Question number 164 is male frog can be distinguished from female frog due to the presence of, correct option is B and D only, option number 1. Question number 165, which of the following equation depicts Verhulst pearl logistic population growth? Correct answer is option number 4 and the reason is given below. Question number 166 is choose the correct statement regarding frog's anatomy, and the correct option is 2, option number 2, and the explanation is given as follows. Question number 167 is select the incorrect statement with reference to the RH grouping. Correct option is option number 1, A and E only. Question number 168, which of the following statement are correct with reference to the human endoskeleton? Correct option is option number 3, B, C and E only, and explanation is given. Question number 169 is match the following, and the correct matching is option number 2. Cortisol produces an anti-inflammatory reaction. Aldosterone stimulates reabsorption of sodium ion and water from renal tubules, and following are given. Question number 170 is the following are the stages of life cycle of Plasmodium. Arrange the stages in the proper order. Correct option is option number 2. Question number 171 is select the incorrect statement from the following. Correct option is B and E. Animal kingdom characteristics: adult echinoderms show radial symmetry, not bilateral, and reptiles are poikilotherms, that is cold-blooded. They do not maintain a constant body temperature. Question number 172 is the specific receptor for neurotransmitter in a synapse are found on. Correct option is option number 1, postsynaptic membrane. Question number 173 is choose the correct statement regarding muscle contraction, and correct option is option 1, A, B, D and E only. That is about muscle contraction and sliding filament theory. Question number 174 is which of the following is not an example of convergent evolution, and correct option is forelimb of whales and bats. Question number 175 is the JGA juxtaglomerular apparatus is a special sensitive region formed by cellular modification in distal convoluted tubule and afferent renal arteriole, that is option number 3. Question number 176 is the following reaction depicts the activity of particular class of enzyme. Correct option is lyase. Question number 177 is match the following, and the correct option is answer number 2. That is mollusks have brachial respiration via gills or cnidia. Reptiles have pulmonary respiration via lungs, and others are given as follows. Question number 178 is what is the reason behind production of large hole in Swiss cheese? Answer is correct option is the production of large amount of CO2 by Propionibacterium sarmani. Question number 179 is again match the following, and correct option is option number 2. Evolution of life forms: about 665 million years ago the dinosaurs suddenly disappeared from the earth, and others are given as follows. Question number 180 is choose the correct statement regarding population interaction between two species. Correct option is option number 4, and correct answer is B, D and E only. Follow more for correct explanation and detailed advertisement.